10 best places to visit in Brazil. Travel. Video. Brazil is a country of extremes, sprawling cities teeming with life, endless beaches kissed by turquoise waters, lush rainforests filled with creatures that feel almost mythical, and mountains rising dramatically from the coast. From the rhythm of samba in Rio to the quiet solitude of the Amazon, Brazil offers experiences so diverse that a single trip can feel like multiple worlds stitched together. For travelers looking to explore its vast landscapes, rich culture, and natural wonders, understanding the variety of destinations is key. Today, we're diving into 10 of the best places to visit in Brazil, each offering a unique window into the heart of this vibrant nation. Rio de Janeiro. Rio is synonymous with energy, beauty, and culture. Its skyline blends mountains, beaches, and skyscrapers in a way few cities can match. Copacabana and Ipanema beaches are iconic for sunbathers, surfers, and people-watching, while Sugarloaf Mountain and Christ the Redeemer statue provide panoramic views that make the city unforgettable. The streets pulse with samba rhythms, from local music venues to festival parades, and neighborhoods like Santa Teresa and Lapa offer historic charm alongside contemporary culture. Even beyond its beaches and famous landmarks, Rio's blend of urban dynamism and natural beauty captures the essence of Brazil in a way that feels alive and immersive, making it a must-visit for anyone exploring the country. São Paulo. As Brazil's largest city, São Paulo contrasts Rio's coastal vibrancy with urban intensity. Its skyline is an expanse of modern skyscrapers interspersed with cultural institutions, parks, and historic architecture. The city is a hub for gastronomy, with diverse culinary options reflecting its multicultural population, from Italian and Japanese neighborhoods to traditional Brazilian eateries. São Paulo also houses world-class museums like the São Paulo Museum of Art, as well as vibrant street art districts such as Beco do Batman. This is a city of contrasts, bustling business districts, lively nightlife, and serene parks, all woven into a metropolitan fabric that feels alive at every hour. Salvador, in the state of Bahia, is where Africa meets Brazil in rhythm, color, and tradition. The historic Pelourinho district features colonial architecture, cobbled streets, and brightly painted buildings that tell the story of centuries-old cultural fusion. Music and dance are woven into daily life, with drumming, capoeira, and samba forming the soundtrack of the city. Salvador's beaches, including Porto de Barra and Flamengo, offer opportunities to relax against a backdrop of cultural vibrancy. Food is a highlight as well, with Bahian cuisine blending African, Portuguese, and indigenous flavors in dishes like acarajé and moqueca. The city's energy, history, art, and coastal charm make it a destination that appeals to all senses. Florianopolis. Florianopolis, often called the Magic Island, is known for its incredible beaches and vibrant coastal culture. Located in southern Brazil, the city offers more than 30 beaches, each with unique characteristics. Surfing is popular at Joaquina and Praia Mole, while quieter beaches like Campeche and Lagoinha provide serene escapes. The island also has lagoons, hills, and forests that invite hiking, wildlife watching, and exploration. Florianopolis balances urban amenities with natural beauty, making it ideal for travelers who want both adventure and relaxation. Local seafood markets and lively nightlife add additional layers to the island's appeal, ensuring a diverse and immersive visit. Foz do Iguaçu. Foz do Iguaçu is home to the awe-inspiring Iguaçu Falls, one of the largest and most powerful waterfall systems in the world. Spanning the border between Brazil and Argentina, the falls are surrounded by lush rainforests teeming with wildlife. Walkways and viewing platforms allow visitors to experience the sheer magnitude and roar of the cascading water, while boat tours offer a more intimate perspective from below. The nearby Itaipu Dam, one of the largest hydroelectric plants globally, adds a modern engineering marvel to the natural spectacle. Foz do Iguaçu combines power, scale, and biodiversity in a way that leaves a lasting impression on any traveler. Pantanal. The Pantanal is the world's largest tropical wetland, stretching across Brazil and neighboring countries. It offers unparalleled wildlife viewing, with jaguars, giant river otters, capybaras, and hundreds of bird species inhabiting the floodplains. Unlike the denser Amazon rainforest, the Pantanal's open landscapes allow for easier observation of wildlife, making it a prime destination for nature enthusiasts and photographers. Seasonal flooding creates dynamic landscapes that shift dramatically throughout the year, influencing both plant and animal life. Exploring the Pantanal provides insight into Brazil's ecological diversity and offers a rare chance to witness wildlife in vast, relatively untouched habitats. Amazon rainforest. No visit to Brazil is complete without experiencing the Amazon rainforest. Manaus serves as the gateway to this immense ecosystem, and where rivers stretch for thousands of kilometers and biodiversity reaches staggering levels. Jungle lodges and river cruises allow visitors to explore dense forests, encounter unique wildlife, and learn about indigenous cultures that have thrived here for centuries. From the rhythmic calls of howler monkeys to glimpses of pink river dolphins, the Amazon immerses travelers in an environment that feels both primeval and alive. Conservation challenges underscore the importance of sustainable travel, ensuring that future generations can witness the same richness of life. Ouro Preto. Ouro Preto in Minas Gerais is a colonial town that feels frozen in time. Its cobblestone streets, Baroque churches, and ornate architecture reflect Brazil's gold rush era, offering a glimpse into the nation's history. The town is nestled among rolling hills, providing scenic viewpoints and outdoor exploration opportunities. Cultural experiences, including local arts, festivals, and traditional cuisine, immerse visitors in the heritage of southeastern Brazil. Ouro Preto blends history, architecture, and scenery, making it an educational and visually stunning destination. Bonito Bonito, in the state of Mato Grosso do Sul, is a paradise for freshwater explorers. Its rivers, caves, and limestone formations create crystal-clear waters ideal for snorkeling and diving. And the Rio de Prata and the Blue Lake Cave reveal underwater ecosystems that seem almost surreal, with abundant fish and pristine surroundings. Bonito's emphasis on sustainable tourism ensures that natural beauty remains protected while providing visitors with intimate experiences in extraordinary landscapes. Its combination of adventure, ecological responsibility, and striking scenery makes it a highlight for nature-focused travelers. Recife. Finally, Recife, often called the Venice of Brazil, features waterways, historic neighborhoods, and vibrant cultural scenes. The city's historic district, Recife Antigo, boasts colonial architecture, museums, and cultural centers that highlight the city's heritage. Beaches like Boa Viagem offer sun, surf, and relaxation, while local markets provide artisanal goods and culinary delights. Recife's mix of modern urban life, rich history, art, and coastal charm makes it a diverse destination for travelers seeking both exploration and leisure. If this guide inspired your travel dreams, like this video. To explore more, subscribe for in-depth travel insights and share it with someone planning their next Brazilian adventure. Every corner of Brazil has a story, and these 10 are just the beginning.